नमस्कार दोस्तों, वेलकम टू स्पोर्टिंग एंजल्स एजुकेशनल स्पेक्ट्रम। मैं हूं नरेश और आज आपको लिए चलता हूं एक बिल्कुल नए और रोचक सफर पर। आज जो टीमें आप हमारे साथ देख रहे हैं वे ग्रांड फाइनलिस्ट हैं प्राइमरी ब्रांच के लिए सोशल क्विज। इन टीमों ने बड़ी मेहनत करके सेमीफाइनल की स्टेज को पार किया है और निश्चित रूप से आज आप फाइनल में भी बहुत ही रोमांचक मुकाबला देखने वाले हैं। लेट मी टेल यू, इट्स गोइंग टू बी अ वेरी टाइट फिनिश। इन फैक्ट अ लास्ट बॉल और इन द टर्म्स ऑफ race, if you ask me, it's going to be a photo finish. I'm sure about their abilities. They're all good, knowledgeable students, and we are starting with the buzzer round. As you know, in the buzzer round, I'll be asking them 4 questions. For each correct answer, they'll be adding 10 marks to their tally. But the team throwing the ball first will be given an opportunity to answer my question. So they have got the balls in their hands. Ready teams? Balls in your hands, and here is my first question. Ready? Do not be in haste. Haste makes waste, and you should not be wasting anything out of your caliber. Ready? Be very attentive, listen carefully, and then contemplate for a while and answer. My question is, name the first Indian woman who scaled Mount. Santosh Yadav is not correct, and I'm afraid you start on a negative footing. Santosh Yadav was a girl who scaled Mount Everest twice, but she was not the first one to scale the Mount Everest. The first one to scale the Mount Everest was Bachendri Pal, right? Santosh Yadav made history because she scaled Mount Everest twice. And question number 2. The question is, name the largest hot desert in the world. Yes, again it is Maverick. Sahara Desert is absolutely correct. Oh God. Question number 3. But again remind, be very attentive. Do not make unnecessary haste. Haste certainly makes waste. Listen carefully, contemplate, throw the ball, answer my question. The question is, name the state where Kaziranga National Park is located. Again, wait. I'll go to the jury members. Maverick cities, you can answer now. Assam is absolutely correct. Angels are knowledge bombs. They are really knowledge bombs. You are going to see their impact as the whole world saw in the war of Kargil. In the war of Kargil, the Indian soldiers were hitting right on dot, and so are these little angels. They are hitting right on dot. Question number 4. Teams ready? Oh. But do not start the race beyond the line. You'll be given foul. None of you should throw the ball before I complete my question. Let me complete my question first, then only you can throw the ball. And my question to you is, name the largest producer of tea in the world. Again, it is Mavericks, and the answer is China. Absolutely correct. Oh. So enthusiastic, so forthcoming. Although they were also very knowledgeable, but not to this extent. They are crossing all the limits. When we were children, our teachers used to say, sky is the limit for you. But for them, I would like to say, even the sky is not the limit for them. With this, we have completed the first round. And after the first round, there is only one team that has opened their account and leading significantly. Mavericks 25, others haven't yet opened their account. Time to start the second round, friends. Let me have a bit of breath. I am really struggling to breathe myself. So enthusiastic they were in their answers. Mavericks, it's been terrific. See, I've been quiz master in many quizzes, but such a forthcoming, such a prompt answer I haven't seen before this. We are starting the regulation round. I'll be starting with Brainiac Brigade. To each team, I'll go 4 times, and they have got good opportunity to grab 40 marks. This is a pass round. In case the team given the opportunity doesn't answer my question, the next team can take up the opportunity, and for a pass answer, the next team will get 5 marks only. It will be passed once more. The second pass, correct answer will fetch the team only 3 marks. So, time for you, Brainiac Brigade, and your question is, dash languages are recognized by the Constitution of India. Option A, 17, option B, 18, option C, 22, option D, 28.
22.
22 is absolutely correct. 10 marks. With this, you open your account. Trivia Troopers, your question is, which among the following is not a folk dance? A. Ghumar, B. Garba, C. Kathakali, D. Bihu. Bihu is a folk dance, no doubt. Question passes to Knowledge Knights. Not a folk dance.
Kathakali.
Kathakali is not a folk dance. You get 5 bonus marks for your correct answer. And your original question, Knowledge Knights. Hawa Mahal and Amer Fort are located in A. Rajasthan, B. Haryana, C.
Rajasthan.
Rajasthan, absolutely correct, and more. You take your tally to 15. Question for Brain Brawl. And your question is, who among the following was a famous Sainai player? A. Ustad Rashid Khan, B. Ustad Bismillah Khan, C. Ustad Zakir Hussain, D. Ustad Amjad Ali Khan. Famous Sainai player. Ustad Rashid Khan, Ustad Bismillah Khan, Ustad Zakir Hussain, Ustad Ajmat Ali Khan.
Ustad Rashid Khan.
Ustad Rashid Khan is not correct. Passes to you, Mavericks.
C. Ustad Zakir Hussain.
Zakir Hussain is not correct. Brainiac Brigade, your turn. You want to answer?
Time up.
Time up. I'll go to the audience. I'll go to the audience. Yes. Anyone this side? One. The famous Sehnai player. The famous Sehnai player to my friend Angel. Bismillah Khan. How confident are you? Be confident. Very correct. The full form of ISD is Indian Subscriber Dialing, International Subscriber Dialing, Instant Subscriber Data, International Subscriber Data.
International subscriber dialing.
International Subscriber Dialing is absolutely correct. 10 marks. Very good doing. Mavericks, your original question, Mavericks. Next round, I am starting with you. And your question is, dash is a means of personal communication. A. Letter. B. Weekly. C. Radio. D. Television. Letter, absolutely correct. 10 marks. Brain brawl, your turn. And your question is, the north-south corridor runs between A. Srinagar to Kanyakumari, B. Agra to Kanyakumari, C. New Delhi to Chennai, D. Amritsar to Madurai. The north-south corridor, Srinagar to Kanyakumari,
Srinagar.
Agra to Kanyakumari, New Delhi to Chennai, Amritsar to Madurai.
Srinagar to Kanyakumari.
Srinagar to Kanyakumari, after being hesitant, but the answer is correct. You get 10 marks. Why were you so hesitant? Anyway, answer is correct. You get 10 full marks. It was within the stipulated time, so no worries. Knowledge Knights, your question is, the first train ran between A. Mumbai and Thane, B. Thane and Goa, C. Delhi and Mumbai, D. Kolkata and Ranchi.
Mumbai and Thane.
Mumbai and Thane is absolutely correct. 10 marks. Knowledge Knights. Question for you, Trivia Troopers. And your question is, the only riverine major port of India is, the only riverine major port of India is A. Kandla, B. Kolkata, C. Tuticorin, D. Haldia. Riverine major port, Kandla, Kolkata, Tuticorin, Haldia. Kandla is not correct, passes to you.
Tuticorin.
Tuticorin is not correct, passes to you, Mavericks. Haldia is also not correct. So we are left with only one option, that is Kolkata. Kolkata is the right option. Next question. Question 2. Brainiac Brigade. And your question is, aluminium is obtained from A. Bauxite, B. Lead, C. Tin, D. Copper.
Copper.
Copper is not correct. Passes to you. Bauxite is correct. And you get 5 bonus marks for your correct answer. Brilliant Brigade. The third round I will be starting with you. And your question is, the largest producer of manganese is Haryana, Odisha, Punjab, Kerala.
Punjab.
Punjab is not correct. Passes to trivia troopers. Odisha is correct. 5 bonus marks. Question for you. Ferrous minerals are those minerals which contain A. Silver, B. Gold, C. Copper, D. Iron. Ferrous minerals
Iron.
which contain iron, absolutely correct. 10 marks. Knowledge night, your turn. And your question is, which of these contain the largest part of fresh water on earth? A. Glaciers, B. Groundwater, C. Tanks, D. Wells and Boundary.
Glaciers.
Glaciers, absolutely correct. 10 marks. Good going, knowledge nights. Now it is your turn, brain brawl. And your question is, dash is the technique of collecting and storing rainwater. A. Fish breeding. B. Rainwater harvesting. C. Building ponds. D. Digging wells.
Rainwater harvesting.
Rainwater harvesting, absolutely correct. 10 marks. Question for you. And your question is, the Bhakra Nangal Dam is on the river
Satluj.
Satluj. So prompt, I'm really impressed with you. 10 marks, very good. The last of the regulation round, I'll be starting with you, Mavericks. And your question is, the Hirakud Dam is located in which state?
Mahanadi.
I'm asking state. You lose your chance to answer. Brain brawl. The options for you are, when I finish the options, then only you will count 10 seconds. Your options are Andhra Pradesh, Odisha, Himachal Pradesh, Haryana.
Himachal Pradesh.
Hirakud Dam. I'm sorry, you lose this opportunity. Knowledge nights, your turn.
Odisha.
Odisha is correct. You get 3 bonus marks for your correct answer. Brain brawl. Your original question now. Which of these is an artificial source of water? A. Glaciers. B. Groundwater. C. Rivers. D. Reservoirs.
Glaciers.
Glaciers is not correct. Passes to knowledge nights.
Reservoirs.
Reservoirs is again correct. You get 5 bonus marks for your correct answer. इस लड़के की नजरें फिर से वहां है. Question for you. Knowledge nights. Which of these is an artificial source of water? इसे थोड़ा सा. The iron and steel industries is an example of A. Small scale industries, B. forest based industries, C. large scale industries, D. cottage industries. Large scale industries is correct. 10 marks. Question for you, trivia troopers. Your question is, which of these places is known for its shipbuilding industries? A. Visakhapatnam, B. Bengaluru, C. Ahmedabad, D. Hyderabad. Shipbuilding is not done in Ahmedabad. Passes to you, Brainiac Brigade.
Option.
10 seconds is the time. I will not repeat the options. Time up. Visakhapatnam is correct. You get 3 bonus marks for your correct answer. Brainiac Brigade, your question is dash. Brainiac Brigade, dash is the largest producer of spices in India. A. Karnataka, B. Kerala, C. Meghalaya, D. Goa.
Kerala.
Kerala is absolutely correct. 10 marks. Well, friends, with this we have completed 2 rounds, the buzzer as well as the regulation. And after the 2 rounds, the scores are: Mavericks are the leaders with 53. Very close fight is seen between Mavericks and Knowledge Knights. Knowledge Knights placed second with 53. Brain Brawl 20. Brainiac Brigade 20. Trivia Troopers 15. Well, हम आ पहुंचे हैं लास्ट राउंड तक और कम से कम चैंपियन के लिए अभी भी लड़ाई आसान नहीं है। टॉप 2 टीमों के बीच में बहुत अच्छी लड़ाई देखी जा रही है। हालांकि यहाँ यह कहना सही होगा कि लड़ाई चैंपियन के लिए 2 ही टीमों के बीच में रह गई है। बट दीज 2 teams right from the beginning have been engaged in a very fierce fighting. Initially, in fact, it was a tri-party struggle. Now it is a bilateral between the 2. Let us see who makes it to be the champion. Okay, and I'll start the last round, that is the rapid fire round. 1 minute, 6 questions, 24 marks, and this round I'll be starting with Brainiac Brigade. Brainiac Brigade, are you ready? So your time starts now. The 10-degree channel separates Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Do you agree or disagree?
Agree.
Correct. Lakes that are separated from the sea by sand or rocks are called lagoons. True or false?
False.
No. A place where a stream of river falls from a higher level is called a delta. Am I serious or joking?
Joking.
Right. Clouded Leopard National Park is in Tripura. Correct or incorrect?
Incorrect.
No. Wildlife sanctuaries save the endangered species. Straight or googly?
Googly.
No. Pick the odd one out. Bajra, rice, groundnuts, wheat.
Groundnut.
No. So I asked them 6 questions. They answered 2. 4 to the 8. Added to your tally takes you to 28. Trivia troopers, your turn. Ready? Your time starts now. India is located in the eastern part of Asia. Agree or disagree? Disagree is correct. India shares its border with 12 countries. True or false?
False.
False is correct. Farming, weaving, wood carving, ship rearing are the main occupations in hilly areas. Am I serious or joking?
Joking.
Madhya Pradesh is also called India's bread basket. Correct or incorrect?
Correct.
Right? Lodi, Baisakhi are the main festivals in Punjab. Agree or disagree?
Agree.
Right? Pick the odd one out. Tapi, Mahanadi, Godavari, Krishna. Tapi, Mahanadi, Godavari, Krishna. Pick the odd one out. Time up. I asked them 6. They answered 4 correct. 4 4 is 16. 16 added to your tally takes you to 31. Very good. Time starts now. The Thar Desert lies on the west of Aravalli ranges of Rajasthan and covers a large part of Rajasthan. Do you agree or disagree?
Agree.
Right? The camel is the only means of transport in the sands of Thar Desert. True or false?
False.
No. The Lakshadweep Islands are located in Bay of Bengal. The capital of Lakshadweep is Kavrati. Am I serious or joking?
Joking.
Right. Weather is affected by temperature, rainfall and direction of winds. Is it correct or incorrect?
Correct.
Right. The longest day in summer is 21st June. Do you agree or disagree?
Agree.
Right. Pick the odd one out. Sun, water, air, cold.
Sun.
Is not correct. 4 correct. 4 4 is 16 added to your tally takes you to 69. 69 was brilliant, I tell you. Well, brain brawl, your time starts now. The head of the municipal committee is the chairperson or president. Do you agree or disagree?
Disagree.
No. The right to freedom allows freedom in 6 areas. True or false?
True.
Correct. Onam and Pongal are the harvest festivals and celebrated in Kerala and Tamil Nadu respectively. Am I serious or joking?
Joking.
No. The international airport located in New Delhi is known as Indira Gandhi International Airport. Correct or incorrect?
Correct.
Right. Metal roads are mostly found in villages. They are also called Pakka roads. Agree or disagree?
Decide.
Correct. Pick the odd one out. Gold, copper, silver, coal. Time up. 3 correct. 3 4 are 12. 12 added to your tally takes you to 32. Mavericks, your time. Ready? So your time starts now. The Sardar Sarovar Dam is built on the river Narmada in Gujarat. Do you agree or disagree?
Agree.
Correct. We celebrate the World Water Day on 22nd March every year. True or false?
True.
Right? Perennial rivers flow throughout the year and originate in the Himalayas in India. For example, Godavari, Krishna. Am I serious or joking?
Joking.
Right? India is the second largest producer of wool in the world. Correct or incorrect?
Correct.
No. Industries depend on labor, money, raw material, electricity as its primary requirements. Do you agree or disagree?
Agree.
Right. Pick the odd one out. Mussoorie, Nainital, Darjeeling, Patna.
Patna.
Time up. 4 correct. 4 4 the 16 added you to your tally takes you to 79. And we have the new champions now. Oh great God, what a fight it has been. It's been wonderful between these top two teams. I cannot imagine Mavericks, Knowledge Knights, they saw neck to neck. It was a photo finish. Difference of just one answer separated the champion and the runners up. The new champions are Mavericks and Knowledge Knights are the runners up. Congratulations teams. To others, I would like to say it was bad luck this time. Although you all prepared well, you all played well, sometimes it happens, things do not fire on a given day. And this is what is called luck. Luck is also an element. I am a firm believer in luck. Sometimes all start well, all do well. Although this does not take away from the champions and the runners of anything away. But to some extent, this body thing, luck also counts. Friends, to them I would say there is always next time. Doesn't matter. Be happy, go smiling. I wish you all the best for the next time. To my audience, I would like to say, you have been extremely extraordinary. I would very knowledgeable. I have not seen such a knowledgeable audience as you are. You kept this final lively. You kept me going. You kept the teams going. You kept this hall warm, should I say, or hot? This became a hot hall. In KBC we find hot seat. Here you made every seat very hot. Such a fantastic quiz it was. One of them said this is also KBC because you are calling us Kaun Banega champion. That is Kaun Banega Crorepati. With due respect to Amitabh ji, and this is Kaun Banega champion. So this KBC has an answer now. We have the champion and the runner-up. We, with an assurance to my fellow friends who support us through this video, who are not with us in this hall, to them I would certainly say, it is your support. It is you who keeps us going. It is your guidance that keeps us improving. It is you without whose support we would finish nowhere. If they are going anywhere, you are the teachers. If I am going anywhere, you are my guide, you are my soul, you are everything for all of us. Please keep your support going for us. I can assure you one thing, you will certainly like this video, and if you do like, please do share this video with your friends. Do subscribe our channel. We need your support. Thanks for devoting your time. Thanks a lot. You have been very good to us.